Hello everyone, in front of me is Tefal Cook4me and let me show you how to use In My Fridge feature. So at first, from main panel, select In My Fridge. Obviously you need to be connected to Wi-Fi. Now select choose your first or second ingredient. Let me choose the first one. It's potato. Then choose which one it is. You can add weight if you want, or enter quantity or weight in grams, kilograms, however you prefer. Let me add 1 kilo. Tap on OK. Now add second ingredient. Then choose which one. And tap on OK. Now mark OK here. And actually there is no recipe with our ingredients, so let's try another ingredient from my fridge. It's butter. And as you can see now we've got 5 recipes, so we can choose one from them. For example, let me choose mashed potato, and here you've got everything. So that's it. Just go through overview, ingredients and steps needed to serve this dish. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.